Live your passion.
You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be yourself. Live your passion. Live your passion. Yeah.
Taxidermy is the art of preserving, arranging and displaying animal bodies. Taxidermists construct models of an animal's body, producing a reconstruction which captures the natural pose of the animal. Using a variety of materials to construct the framework, they use special techniques to skin the animal, preserve the skin, and fit and sew the skin over the framework, including any fur or feathers. They add teeth, claws, or eyes where necessary and arrange the specimen in a mount. Taxidermy is practiced primarily on vertebrates such as mammals, birds, fish, and reptiles. Familiarity with animal anatomy, sculpture, painting and the tanning of animal hides aid taxidermists in ensuring attractive, lifelike results. Key traits to enter this exciting field include the ability to work well with your hands, attention to detail, thoroughness and the ability to work on your own. An interest in natural history and wildlife, artistic skill and manual dexterity and fitness are other important requirements. Training typically covers aspects such as art, design, fabrication, tanning, anatomy, as well as customer care. Some taxidermists offer apprenticeship placements, which include many hours of hands-on practice mounting animals. Popular methods include traditional skin mounting and freeze-dried mounting. The job also involves some administrative tasks, details of the scientific name of the species, its habitat, and the details of acquisition must be properly recorded. It is also important for the taxidermist to provide evidence of how legally protected animals died. By the very nature of their work, taxidermists often have to work long hours, especially when first starting out. They work with strong chemicals, glues, hand and power tools, and possibly diseased animals. Overtime and weekend work is common, especially when delivery deadlines loom. Salary rates vary depending on where you work, the size of the project, and the demand for the job. Considering Namibia's reputation as a renowned trophy hunting destination, taxidermists who seek to create trophies for hunters have stronger job prospects, whereas museums also offer employment opportunities. A lot of factors that contribute to a taxidermist's income include years of experience, professional reputation, portfolio of work, and client references. You too can live your passion and become a taxidermist. If you are manually dexterous, artistically inclined, and interested in animal anatomy, you may just excel in this exciting environment. This insert is brought to you by the Namibia Training Authority. Visit our website at www.nta.com.na to learn about other technical and vocational career options.